Good morning. In this class of topography, few pattern of settlements were left. I am very happy seeing your comment that you had written in the comment box. Among these settlements, I have explained only these two: nucleated and dispersed or scattered. These three are left. Today we will see the explanation of these three: radial, linear and rectangular. So the first is radial. What happens? At the center there is a empty place, and around that we find the settlements. There is some reason that central point is empty, is free from the settlement. Regarding that, I want to explain in this way. In that central part of the settlement, there is a source of income. Which kind of source of income? Suppose this part, empty part, is used for any religious purpose. There is a mosque, there is a temple. We can add, there may be any kind of industry, there may be any government office. So for all this, the people will like to make their settlement nearby the source of income. These are the settlement pattern around the source of income. Suppose if this is the government office, then the colonies are made nearby the government office so that the employees can reach to the government office timely, conveniently, without any difficulty. There may be any industry, so the laborers and other workers reside beside that industry so that they feel easy to reach industry in short time. There may be mosque or there may be temple. Beside that also people want to make their settlement. They want to make their houses. So if this feature you find in any foreground reference, that in the middle there is an empty place and all around that there are small red colored squares, those represent the settlement, is a radial pattern of settlement. Now we come to the next, that is linear. In these days, this is very important settlement. If any town is going rapidly, very fast, then people will like to make their residence, people will like to make their buildings, their settlements nearby the road. Why do we say? Because road provides them a lot of facilities. Education facility, health facility, they can enjoy this any other kind of government facility. So they like to make their own houses nearby the road. If we find this settlement in the pattern of straight line, then we say that pattern of settlement is linear settlement. This may be road, this may be railway, this may be any river. The last is rectangular settlement. I want to give one information about this rectangular settlement. In old syllabus, this settlement was not added. We find newly this settlement is added to your syllabus. For this settlement, sometimes we find the junction of two roads. What is the junction? When two roads intersect each other at a right angle, then this point is called the junction. So, all kinds of facilities are provided by these roads. So, the people make their houses nearby this junction because there is a source of income also. There is a chance, good chance of trade and commerce. And the growth of this kind of settlement gives the rectangular shape. You see, these red squares, small red squares are in the form of a rectangular shape. In the form of a rectangular shape. So, the name of this pattern of settlement is given rectangular settlement. This is found nearby the junction.